Hey guys, Tiki Tech Guru here. How's it going? It's been a long time since I've ever done a video, and I'm sorry, guys. I've been really busy, and that's why you haven't been seeing any videos. Anyways, getting on to the point. So today, in one of my classes, my language class specifically, we have to use different accent marks and different types of things for different languages. So, one thing that some people in my class are struggling with is how to, change your keyboard settings on Windows 7. And I think the similar procedure should be for Windows XP and Vista. So, I'm not sure though, but I'm definitely sure for Windows 7. But I mean, they're all Windows, so they should have some sort of a similar procedure. Now, anyways, getting on to the point and getting on with the video, we're gonna go ahead and click Start, and we're gonna go ahead and click on Control Panel. Now, once we're here in this layout, we're gonna go ahead and click Change Keyboards or Other Input Methods. All right. So now once you get that, I'm going to exit out of the first window that I opened. Alright, now you get this window right here. Alright, so, and it's right where we want it, keyboards and languages. So my first example I'm going to do is about adding a keyboard is for the language Spanish. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click Add on here on this new window that's opened up, and I'm going to scroll down all the way down to the bottom. So here we are. Alright, let's see. Alright, we're very close, so yep. Alright, now the Spanish that I'm looking for and typing is, I'm not going to go over to do Spanish via country. Like, what I mean by that is, I'm not going to choose Spanish for the country that I'm living in. And that's because that's how my class works for the Spanish I'm taking. So I don't really want to click on any of these countries that come up next to Spanish. I don't want to add any of these keyboards. What I want to add is the traditional Spanish, which is right here, and we're going to click on that plus right there, and click on that plus right next to the keyboard, and checkmark Spanish, so that Windows 7 knows that, hey, when you use Spanish, I'm going to give you the Spanish notation. I wouldn't recommend the Spanish variation, and I wouldn't recommend the US version, but that all depends on your course. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now here you can see that you can customize how you want your keyboard settings to be. Like, you can have Spanish the first language that you use, or you can move it down, it's all personal preference. Now another example I'm going to do is German from Germany. Now I'm going to use, like I said, German from Germany. So, and I know that there are other versions of German. So I'm not going to use the Austria version. I'm not going to use the Liechtenstein version. I'm not going to use the Luxembourg version, and I'm not going to use the Switzerland version. So I'm just going to use the plain old German version. Oh, I can't speak today, guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, so I'm going to come over to the keyboard like you saw. I'm going to check on that German option, and then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And German automatically, aligned itself before Spanish. So, but you can still alternate that setting, and you can even remove it, and it's up to your personal preference. Now, in terms of some kids that are taking Chinese, this is for you guys. I don't know which Chinese your instructor might be telling you to take, but here the Chinese um, languages and how specific they are. You know, the Taiwan version, the Macau version, the Hong Kong SAR version, the simplified Singapore version, or the simplified PRC version. So whichever suits your needs, you just click on the plus, you click on the plus on the keyboard, and you select the ones that you need, and you just hit OK afterwards. So since I'm already on the simplified PRC version, I'm going to use the simplified US keyboard. And I don't know about Pinyin and AB style and Pinyin new experience. So my best guess is the Chinese simplified US keyboard. That's my best guess for you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now, in terms of if I want to remove languages, that's pretty easy too. All I want to do is click on the Chinese version that I just added because I'm not sure about it. I'm just going to go ahead and click remove. And once I'm set with German and Spanish, and basically I'm going to hit apply and hit OK. And that's pretty much it. And I want to go ahead and hit OK here as well. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, there should be, yeah, you see this? This means English. And you should be able to click on this this two-letter ticker button that comes up at the bottom of your bar. And you can select in your keyboard input you want to use. You say German from Germany, or you can use the Spanish as you want and however you want to use it. And that's pretty much it, guys, on how to add languages. And I think there should be similar procedures for Windows XP and Vista. So that is a wrap up, guys.